We should at this point look at this example and say, cool story, bro, but how can we validate this? I mean, is there a way that these shadow people can actually somehow validate that from their perspective? That indeed that there's a bigger world out there and objects may be traveling at a constant speed? So this is where Louise, who has written a book named Relatively Visualized, where this plane example was mentioned, says maybe they can. I'm like, how? How could these shadow people ever hope to understand that there could be a bigger world out there? The key over here is to imagine a second shadow on a wall. Louise, what's the point of having to look at this shadow? Because these folks are stuck in their 2 dimensions, right? They will not be able to perceive the shadow or look at that shadow, so what's the point in looking at that? And Lewis says, you're right. But remember, just like us, we are stuck in our 3 dimensions and we cannot see time, but we can still measure the flow of time with our clocks. Similarly, what if they cannot see this shadow, but somehow they can measure how quickly that shadow is moving?